Hi, Ron. My name is Evan Leeming. I wanted to give my input about the snake oil. I used the engine oil treatment snake oil, and I have a Lexus, a 97 Lexus ES300, and I get significantly better gas mileage, about 28 miles per gallon on average is what we calculated. And I probably was getting probably low 20s before the snake oil treatment. And previously the car was blowing smoke out of the tailpipe occasionally on startup, and it has only done that once since the snake oil treatment, and it was about 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside at the time. But it has no problem starting up now and no smoke since that one instance. Thank you.